Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for no-nonsense product comparisons. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and mops. On the left, we have the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 robot vacuum and mop, and on the right, the Roborock Qrevo S robot vacuum. Buckle up, because things are about to get clean and mean. Let's start with the first thing that hits your wallet, the price. Shark Matrix Plus comes in at a cool $699. Meanwhile, the Roborock Qrevo S is priced at $799. So if you're looking to save a Benjamin, Shark's got your back. But hey, sometimes you gotta pay to play, right? Now onto suction power. The Shark Matrix Plus boasts incredible suction and can mop at the same time. But the Roborock Qrevo S is flexing with a whopping 7,000 Pascal suction. Honestly, with that kind of power, Roborock could probably suck up your regrets from last year's New Year's Eve party. Shark, you're great, but Roborock's bringing the heat. Let's talk mopping. Shark's got sonic mopping that scrubs 100 times per minute. It even tackles stuck-on stains with Matrix Mop. But wait, Roborock isn't backing down. It has dynamic dual spinning mops at 200 RPM. Basically, Roborock's mopping is like having two tiny, angry janitors on a caffeine, high scrubbing your floors. Shark, you have met your match. What about the dreaded task of emptying the dustbin? Shark Matrix Plus holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. No bags needed. Roborock Qrevo S? It also self-empties and can go hands-free for up to 7 weeks. Plus, it has a fancy hot air drying system to keep everything smelling fresh. So Shark is like, I got this for 2 months. And Roborock is like, hold my mop water. Allergies, anyone? Shark comes with HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of dust and allergens. Roborock? Well, it didn't brag about its filtration as much, so Shark takes the cake here. Shark, you're the sneeze-free champion here. Roborock, you're amazing, but let's keep those allergens in check, shall we? For pet owners, Shark's got a self-cleaning brush roll that's anti-hair wrap, perfect for dealing with Fluffy's fur. Roborock? It's also designed to minimize hair tangling with its multi-directional floating brush. So whether you have a shedding machine or just a regular pet, both are pretty solid. But Shark might save you from the dreaded hairball apocalypse. Now, let's talk brains. Shark uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision mapping. Roborock? It's got PreciSense LiDAR navigation and even 3D mapping technology. Shark's like, I can see everything. And Roborock's like, hold my sensors, I'll show you your home in 3D. Both the Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 and Roborock Qrevo S have received high praise from users. Reviewers love the Shark Matrix Plus for its effective cleaning, user-friendly setup, and efficient mapping. However, some noted minor issues with tight corners and occasional glitches. On the other hand, the Roborock Qrevo S has been lauded for its powerful suction, superior mopping capabilities, and advanced navigation. While most users are thrilled with its performance, a few have encountered issues with the app. Overall, both products are highly recommended for their respective strengths. So there you have it, folks. The Shark Matrix Plus 2 inches 1 is a fantastic all-rounder that saves you money and keeps your allergies at bay. But if you want serious suction power, next-level mopping, and a robot that practically thinks for itself, the Roborock Qrevo S is your new BFF. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on smart buying advice. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep it clean. Product links are in the description.